All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive engine. Original black on black from factory, folks. Vehicle does have some scratches. Vehicle does have white door dings. That's all I was able to count. Original black on black from factory, folks. This is not a repaint, so yes, the vehicle does have some scratches, and again, it does have some door dings. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. What you see is what you are gonna get. This was a detective unit from the city of Santa Cruz, California. Vehicle does hold a clean and clear title. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a factory window tint, rear only, no window tint on the front. Once again, there is no window tint on the front windows. Vehicle doesn't have any holes on the body whatsoever. Very clean, very sharp, and yes, vehicle is complete, folks. Vehicle does have a working factory backup camera. Once again, folks, I told you vehicle does have some scratches. I do have scratches here in the tailgate. I have one right here. It looks like an X. One little scuff marks on the rear bumper right here. You guys can see that right there. Nothing big or major to worry about, folks. The rest of the car is complete. And once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great running looking vehicle here, folks. Vehicle does have a brand new set of tires. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagle Enforcers 245/55/18s, courtesy of the city of Santa Cruz, California. Tires are semi-new, so I didn't have to do tires on this one. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have the full wheel covers. If you want to go with the dog dishes, I can do that. Just let me know which look you want to go with, and I will be more than happy to replace those, okay, at no extra cost. No spotlights ever installed on this unit. Vehicle does have a nice set of clean and clear factory headlights. Those are going to be HID, folks. Very nice looking headlights. I did mention earlier that the vehicle does have some scratches, and if we go to the driver's side door, folks, you guys are gonna see the scratches right there, okay? Some scratches right here, and we do have some scratches here, as always, from their duty belt as they get in and out of the vehicle. Scratches right here. Once again, nothing big or major to worry about, folks, but it's my job to let you know. Now, these might be a deal breaker for some guys, but then again, there are gonna be other guys that are gonna be like, you know what, Mario? That's not a problem with me. I'll buy it either way. Just in case, if you go to Home Depot and you park your vehicle there, it's not gonna hurt you if you get another scratch or door ding. Let's go inside real quick. Let me show you right here, folks. Before I forget, folks, the vehicle, well, you know what, I'll cover that when we get under the hood, as I like to cover the maintenance and OPM services. Tires are semi-new. Once again, full wheel covers came with the vehicle, so I'm leaving that alone. Folks, just so you know, I do have another black Explorer for sale on eBay. The other one is a 2017 with 37,000 miles. This is going to be a 2016 with 114,000 miles, so there is a difference in the price between the two. All right, here we go. Door locks are in place, so yes, rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. All 4 speakers are in place. Everything does work. So you do have a nice little sound system in here, factory sound system. Matching rear seat and seat belts are in place. The vehicle does have a carpet interior, folks, with a good used set of floor mats. The vehicle did not come with floor mats, so yes, I went ahead and I had a nice set on standby, and I put it in here, and off she goes, okay? All 4 door panels are in nice shape. No rips, no tears. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable, folks. No rips, no tears. Vehicle does have a factory OEM center console that came with the vehicle, folks. Once again, what you see is what you're gonna get. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever probably sat there. Vehicle did come with 2 keys, 2 working controllers, key fobs. There you have it. Sorry guys. There you go. All right, let's get inside. I'm gonna get the mat dirty here. I hate it, but I gotta do it. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Oh, I just made her worse. Wonderful, Mario. What if I get close? Oh, there we go. Those are open. Yes, they are. Vehicle does have 114,000 miles, folks, with 863 idle hours. I apologize if I made a mistake. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Please do not cancel my video. Courtesy lights do work. Okay, they have a switch right here next to the headlights. You can turn them on from there as well. Sunglass holder does work. Okay, red LED, white LED does work. Glove box, let's go inside the glove box. Manuals are in place, folks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm trying to stretch myself out here. Manual is in place, and again, he's going with the car, folks. Now, how did I open this earlier? There you go. Cigarette lighter in place right here. USB connector and auxiliary line in. It's right there, folks. You guys can see it. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I want to make sure you guys see everything here. So there it is. All factory. Everything does work. This switch does not work. Okay, it's just there for looks. It does not work. Let me go ahead and trigger the tailgate. If I do forget something, ladies and gentlemen, I will make sure I say it in my eBay description. Once again, folks, there are going to be two vehicles online for sale. They both are similar vehicles, difference on the year and difference on the mileage. All right, here we go. This is the trunk space over here, folks. Red LED, white LED does work. Vehicle does have a good use spare rim that I purchased, and I went on eBay and I ordered you a matching spare tire so that everything can match. I would hate to send the car out with Goodyear Eagles Enforcers and put a RSA here as a spare tire. It wasn't gonna happen, so I ordered the tire on eBay. When I got the vehicle did come with no spare tire, but I had already predicted that because I knew I was gonna buy this vehicle. Gun lock, here we go. There you go. Does work. Does come with the key. All right, I'm gonna make sure I put it in the key holder, key ring, so I don't lose that. So everything does work. Let me step it up here as the clock is ticking. Let me get under the hood, folks, and show you guys what we got to work with here. So scratches, door dings right there. Not sure what happened, but they are there, folks. All right, I want to make sure I'm completely transparent with you, and I'm not here wasting your time. Okay, vehicle does have scratches. Nothing too crazy, but they are there. All right, here's the engine. Nice and smooth, very quiet, very comfortable vehicle here, folks. No funny noises whatsoever. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced, so vehicle does have a brand new brand new air filter. Throttle body was cleaned, serviced and cleaned out. Vehicle does have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was also serviced. That was a green and fill, and I did use Motorcraft LV. Do not use anything else. Cabin filter is also new. That's inside the cabin of the vehicle. All fluids are being topped off, so you guys can see. Air conditioning is nice and cold, folks. Dry belt and tensioner are in good shape, so I didn't have to replace those. Suspension is nice and tight. No funny noises whatsoever, folks. The vehicle does have a brand new Deca battery. All right, brand new Deca battery. Before I forget, the vehicle does have brand new front brakes and rotors. And also, vehicle does have brand new rear brakes and rotors. So yes, the vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around, folks. I'm not sure who else is doing what I'm doing out there, but yeah, I mean, I'm giving you everything. I want to make sure my customers are very well taken care of, and by the time you get your vehicle, all you have to do is just take it to your state inspection and your DMV. That is it. There you go. Fans just kicked in, so the fans do work. All right. Perfect timing, perfect timing. Love it, gotta love it. Sorry guys, I'm moving a little bit quick here. I'm trying to make sure I show you the HID lights. That's a factory HID, so they are pretty bright. When you're driving at night, they do illuminate the road really, really good. I gotta love it, I tell you. All right, folks, here we go. I think I just about covered everything. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, and if you're interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, folks. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Could you get a cheaper car out there? Yes, you can. Is it gonna be in this condition? No, it's not. There's not a lot of guys out there doing what I'm doing, and that is taking care of the customer. All right, folks, this is my last walk around here on this beautiful unit. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend. God bless and take care.